Nestled in the southwestern region of Turkey lies a natural wonder that seems like something out of a dream, Pamukkale. Pamukkale, which means cotton castle in Turkish, is a place of unparalleled beauty and historical significance. Its story begins with the earth itself, as the terraces and pools of Pamukkale were formed over thousands of years by the flow of warm, calcium-rich mineral waters. The gleaming white terraces of Pamukkale appear like a cascade of pure cotton, draped down the mountainside. These surreal natural formations are a result of the hot springs that deposit calcium carbonate as they flow over the mountainside, creating the illusion of otherworldly frozen waterfalls. The ancient Romans recognized the therapeutic qualities of Pamukkale's waters and built the city of Hierapolis nearby, where people would come to soak and rejuvenate in the mineral-rich pools. Today, visitors from around the world come to Pamukkale to soak in these same rejuvenating waters. The experience of wading through the thermal pools, surrounded by the surreal landscape, is truly unforgettable. Pamukkale is not only about natural beauty but also a treasure trove of history. The ruins of Hierapolis, an ancient city dating back to the 2nd century BC. As you explore the archaeological site, you'll encounter well-preserved theaters, temples, and ancient streets that offer a glimpse into the past. The view from Hierapolis is breathtaking, especially during sunset when the terraces take on a golden hue. It's a moment that feels suspended in time, where the past and present converge in perfect harmony. In Pamukkale, nature and history coexist in a way that is both serene and awe-inspiring. It's a place where the Earth's beauty is on full display, and the whispers of ancient civilizations can still be heard in the wind. Pamukkale is more than a destination. It's an experience that touches the soul and leaves an indelible mark on all who are fortunate enough to witness its wonders. Pamukkale, a true marvel of nature and history, invites you to step into its timeless embrace and create memories that will last a lifetime. Visit Pamukkale and discover the magic for yourself.